right, so we have a defense team, and they are chomping at the bit on this bold accusation. Let's introduce you to them right now. We have Monica Lindstrom for the defense, criminal defense attorney out of Phoenix, Arizona. We have John Phillips, criminal defense attorney out of Jacksonville, Florida. And, of course, last but by no means least, and giving the opening statement tonight, we have Ashley Merchant, and she's from Atlanta. Let's meet the defense team right now.
On the defense team tonight, John Phillips out of Jacksonville, Florida, an experienced wrongful death defense attorney, ranked a top lawyer by Jacksonville Magazine. Can they deliver a not guilty verdict on tonight's bold accusation?
That's a great defense team, and they're ready for the bold accusation and to tackle it. And we're going to start with John Phillips because, you know, he thinks the emotional state of Jodi Arias speaks against this accusation. Does she really love being on trial? Take a listen. Now, John, if you look at the pictures right here, there's something that suggests that a person doesn't love being on trial. What say you?
That is no love affair with justice right there. The original lawyer, Abraham Lincoln, said most folks are as happy as they make their minds up to be. This is no love affair. She's not in love with this process. She may be a narcissist. She may have other issues, but we all know what love is. If you've fallen in love, or if you've seen the love of your firstborn child, that's love, that sensation. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, if you look at these pictures and you look at the total body of this long trial and what she's exposed to, that's not love.
You say that she does not like this limelight. However, could it be possible that she's an egomaniac with an inferiority complex that doesn't like the circumstances, but she loves that it's about herself?
She very well may like the attention, and that's something that I think we all agree. She's a narcissist. She's got some psychological disorders. But again, the bold accusation here is that she is in love with trial and the process of justice in this trial process. And there's no way under God's Son that she's in love with the trial process. She's got plenty of issues, but not that.
Juror 6.
Well, I'm just wondering, if she doesn't really love this attention, then why is she acting out the way she does? I mean, she does continue to smirk for the cameras. She makes eyes at people behind her. So it kind of does seem like she does love all of this.
She's got cameras on her. It's an unusual situation. Imagine having a camera on you 8 hours a day or 6 hours a day, and then the media captures little bits and pieces and says, oh, here's a smirk. Well, we've captured tears too. It's the emotion of facing the death penalty, which we're going to get into, is beyond anything that we could possibly contemplate unless you're walking in her shoes. I know we all won't. But it's the in love with trial again. You can take little pieces out, but it's not the whole picture.
Ladies and gentlemen, you've heard from the defense. Guess what? Vinnie Politan is standing by with a smoking gun. Vinnie?
First, I can't believe the defense said that they think Jodi Arias is embarrassed about the sex. Really? Were they watching the same trial? Time to reveal tonight's smoking gun, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look. Yes, it's a get-out-of-jail-free card. Jodi Arias thinks she's not getting the death penalty and not going away to prison for the rest of her life. She thinks she's getting out. Take a listen to her friend. Just another reason Jodi loves being on trial. She thinks she's going to be free, a free woman who will forever be linked to Travis Alexander as the last woman who ever had sex with him. Jodi?
All right, well, that's a smoking gun, but I think the defense wants to put some water over the smoke. Do you not?
Yeah, you know, that's a Monopoly game piece. And this isn't a game. Like, this is a woman on trial for her life. The last time a woman got the death penalty in Arizona was in 1930. Her name was Eva Dugan, very similar to Jodi. Guess what happened? She got hung, something went wrong, her head came off. This is the penalty that Jodi's facing. It's different. They don't hang anymore. You know, she gets injection. But that's the issue. She's in jail 23 hours a day, 2 hours she's a glorified cage animal in a 12-by-7 cell with no contact to others. This isn't a game.
Ladies and gentlemen, you've heard from the prosecution. This jury has reached a verdict. We are going to take that verdict now, starting with juror number 1. Not guilty, juror 2. Not guilty, juror 3. Not guilty, juror 4. Guilty, juror 5. Not guilty, juror 6. Guilty, juror 7. Not guilty, juror 8. Guilty, juror 9. Not guilty, juror 10. Guilty, juror 11. Guilty, and juror 12. Guilty. Talk about a split verdict. So, you know what? Juror 1?
Yes, Joey. I believe that Jodi definitely loves the attention, and she loves the limelight being on her, but she loves attention that she can control. And in the courtroom, she cannot control the process. She cannot control the prosecutor. Therefore, I can't say that she loves being on trial.
Aha, now this is a real hung jury. Juror 2.
I agree. She does love the attention. The control that she had with being the last person to have sex with Travis, that was in her control. She did it. But the fact that she loves being on trial, I don't think so, because she can't do anything. She's, you know, everybody has to tell her what to do. So I don't believe she loves being on trial. She loves attention.
Joe, we've got our first hung jury. Could we hear from a couple guilties tonight, please?
We waited for this for a long time. The answer is no.
All right, well, the bottom line is this is a tough issue, but I see a woman who loves it up there, and I believe that's why it was 18 days, because of the way she answered those questions, and she loved the battle with Juan Martinez. Come on, admit that.
I think that there are aspects of this trial she does love, but that doesn't mean she loves the trial as a whole.
All right, thank you so much. Great job by everyone. Your verdict is in on today's issue.